How you doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings. We're here with a brand new Chevy Equinox. And once in a while we do some fun stuff. If you can see underneath the dashboard there, we've got some color shifting lights. We ran them into the back seat as well. You can see there, they're shifting and glowing and changing the whole color of the interior of this car. All different colors. They move with the front seats. They're mounted on the bottom of the front seat in the back, and that way you can put the front seats up and move them and never have any issue. As you can see here on the dashboard, you could set them any color you want. They come with a nifty little controller and such. You get them in our shop, or we'll have them on the website soon enough. A little 4-piece kit, real easy to install, but we do some cool stuff like this once in a while too. So if you want a little bit of pretty lights like this in your car, come on down and see us at Wicked Warnings. Check out the website. Look at the link in the description for a link to this exact little kit, and get you some of that.